Hello everybody. In today's video we're going to work on a Canon AE-1, and this problem could also be related to the rest of the models, Canon AE-1 program and Canon AE-1. This problem has to do with shutter speeds. A lot of times you have a camera that when you release the camera, the speeds sound the same, okay? And it doesn't change with you aligning your shutter speed to any speed. It just goes out and just sounds exactly the same, okay? One of the reasons for that would be shutter magnet. Okay, shutter magnets do go bad, and it's a fairly common occurrence. I don't have the percentages with me now, but I had to replace quite a few. So that's something that you may be able to replace on your own if you have a replacement part. So here we have a replacement part, which is a little magnet here. Okay, hopefully you can see it. All right, and on this camera we'll show you how to replace that specific part. So we've got bottom cover here and 2 screws. We'll go ahead and remove it. And again, the only reason why you would want to do that is if you are absolutely positive that that is a problem and that you have a replacement magnet, and that magnet is a good working magnet and you can replace it. So here's our shutter magnet right here. Okay, you've got 3 wires going to it, black, red, and another red. So first things first, we'll make sure that we have no battery, which we do, and we'll get rid of it. Now we're gonna desolder these 3 wires. 1, 2, and 3. Obviously keep track of where these wires go color-wise, and then there's 2 screws. We'll go ahead and remove those 2 screws carefully. Okay, then we'll remove the magnet. Now what I do want to do always, okay, this anchor right here, I do want to clean it before I put a new working magnet there. I'll go ahead and do this right now, and let's go ahead, and that seems to be pretty clean anyways, but it wouldn't hurt to go over it anyways. All right, now that it's been cleaned with a solution, we'll go ahead and apply the new magnet. All right, I usually like to use both the magnet and its own sub anchor here that it came with, instead of reusing the old one if possible. If not, you can clean the old one and put it back in place. So I'll go ahead and position it here, and I will go ahead and reuse the old screws. 1 and 2. Go ahead and align it, and carefully 1 by 1 screw it back in there. All right, now we'll resolder these wires back in their respective spots. Okay, everything looks good here. Go ahead and tighten these 2 screws. Now we'll put the battery back and we'll run a couple of tests to make sure that the shutter speeds are being properly recognized. I'll go ahead and wind, and now let's see if it shows me a second. There we go. Let's do a half a second. Sounds about right. And 1,000ths of a second. Perfect. I think we're good to go here. And so now you know how to properly replace shutter magnet if need be. Thank you for watching.